Okay everybody, today what we're going to do is we're going to get the length of a word in a string. So first of all, I've created a variable with my string here, and I'm going to create a subroutine or a function, and I'm going to get the length of the second word, so that's going to be 0, 1. So I'm going to create a variable called second word, and I'm going to assign it to my string, and this is going to be my string dot split, and we're going to split on the white spaces, and the index position is 1. So it's going to be 0, 1. Okay, and the length here I'm going to assign to length the second word. Right, now we're going to print out the length. This is going to be word length. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so there we go. We've got the word length, which is 2 here, so that's 0, 1. That's the second word, and the length of this word here is 2. Okay, I'm going to do another little example here, and we're going to use user input this time. So I'm going to create a variable called word and assign it to input here, and enter a word. So if word in my string, the length variable, I'm going to assign it to the length of the word here. And then we're going to print out using the F string word length is, and that's going to be the scalar length of the word, or else something else happens there. Else, hang on cat, get down Felix. Else print word is not in the sentence. Get down Felix. Is not in the sentence. Right, okay. Wait a little minute, Felix. Right, let's just run this word length. Okay, so what we've got to do here, we've got to enter a word. First of all, I'm going to enter a word that's not in here, like car. Enter, word is not in the sentence. So let's run it again. And what word is in the sentence here. Okay, so we're going to enter a word that's in the sentence. I'm just going to enter something like sentence. Word length is 8, so there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.